In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable onion skin for the previous frame in the viewer. If you animate by drawing frame by frame, onion skinning is one of the simplest ways to keep your motion smooth and your proportions consistent. It lets you see a faint impression of another frame behind your current one, so you can judge spacing, timing, and arcs as you draw. We'll activate just the previous frame, which is perfect for building clean in-betweens and keeping volume steady. Start by making sure you're in the viewer window, the space where you actually draw your frames. This is the canvas where your strokes appear, so all the visual help you turn on will be visible here. Along the bottom of the viewer, look for the frame bar. It's the horizontal strip that lists your frame numbers in sequence. You'll see the current frame highlighted or otherwise indicated depending on your theme or interface settings. The frame bar is your timing overview and the point where you'll enable onion skinning. Now focus your attention on the current frame number in that bar. Just to the left of it, there's a small onion skin marker. It may look like a dot, a bracket, or a subtle icon, but it sits immediately to the left of the frame that's currently active. Click that marker. This single click turns on onion skin for the previous frame only, keeping things uncluttered so you can concentrate on the frame-to-frame relationship you're working on right now. Once it's active, the drawing from the preceding frame will appear faintly behind your current drawing in the viewer. Think of it as a ghost image, lightly visible, clearly separate from your live strokes, and they're strictly to guide your hand. This overlay doesn't change your artwork and it won't be part of your export. It's simply a reference that helps you compare positions, verify spacing, and trace cleaner motion paths. If the ghost looks color tinted or slightly different in brightness, that's normal and intended to keep it distinguishable from your current lines. Use this view to refine your drawing decisions. Align key landmarks, check how far a limb has moved, and nudge your lines toward smoother arcs. Many animators keep their attention on overlaps and follow-through, and onion skinning makes those subtle shifts easier to judge. With the previous frame sitting softly behind your current strokes, you gain immediate visual feedback without breaking your drawing flow. That's all there is to it. In the viewer, find the frame bar, click the onion skin marker just to the left of your current frame, and let the faint guide help you draw with confidence and continuity.